Hello, Ramune Jauniskis here, proud Lithuanian. Okay, I'm going to show you how to make the best salad dressing ever. It's so good. It's made with mayonnaise, Parmesan, and my secret ingredient, don't tell anyone, lemon. And it is so good. I know I say that about everything, but it's true. It's so good. Even people that don't eat mayonnaise love it. You ready? It takes 2 seconds to put it together and it's so good. So here are the 3 ingredients. The lemon, I squeeze that in first. Then about a tablespoon or so of Parmesan cheese. And then about a huge heaping tablespoon of Hellmann's mayonnaise. And then you just mix it all together. This actually makes a really good dip for vegetables as well as a really good salad dressing. And I usually actually mix it in the bottom of the salad bowl and just put the salad on top and mix it all together. So I hope you'll try it. It's really great.